When authoring your sound components in the Windows version of Director 11, you'll run into some issues and problems that you will not encounter on the Macintosh platform. In general, it's a little bit easier to author your audio components of your Director 11 movies on the Mac than in Windows. So let me go over some of these workarounds and other issues that you'll encounter when using sound in Windows. Now in Windows, in Director 11, a sound that is already playing in either sound channel will override the sound in a QuickTime or AVI video or Flash content. It'll also prevent the video sound from playing even after the sound in the sound channel has stopped. However, after the sound in a digital video starts, it overrides the sound in either sound channel. So you'll just need to be careful that you'll have issues in playing back audio in both a QuickTime and AVI video at the same time that you have sounds playing in either of the sound channel. Now to mix QuickTime audio tracks with internal director sounds, you'll want to use Lingo scripting. You'll use the Sound Device System property to specify the QT3 mix, or you could also install the Microsoft Direct Sound Driver software version 5.0 or later, available from the Microsoft website, and then use the Sound Device property to specify direct sound. For more information about this technique, see the scripting reference topics in the Director Help panel, or check the Director Support Center at www.adobe.com/support/director for the latest developments related to this issue. And finally, the default number of sounds that Director can mix in Windows is 8. Remember, you have 2 real sound channels and then up to 6 virtual sound channels, but this number can be decreased, which you'll often want to do to limit memory and to make your Director projects run more efficiently. If you reduce the number of maximum sounds, it just reduces the load on the computer, and if you're not using it, you might as well decrease this maximum number. You do this by modifying the value in the mixed channels setting in the Director INI file. You'll find this in the Director configuration folder. If you go to your Director folder, this will be in the Applications folder in the Macintosh operating system, or the Program Files folder here in Windows, Program Files, Adobe, and then Adobe Director 11. If you go into that Adobe Director 11 folder, let me go back to it right there, Adobe Director 11, open that up and open up the Configuration folder. You'll find a Director text file, that's a Director INI file. Open that up in Notepad or a simple text editor and scroll down to the section on Mix Max Channels equals 8. Notice that there's a note there, maximum number of channels supported by the sound mixer. The actual number you can mix depends on the processing power of your computer. Must range from 1 to 8. So if you're not using all 8, good idea to reduce that to 4, 5, 6, however many that you are using. So that's where you can set that up. Let me move on to the next movie and talk about Shockwave Audio. Shockwave Audio is technology that makes sounds smaller and plays them faster from disk or over the internet.